Well, we're taking a cruise on Christmas morning 2024. Wishing everybody a safe and happy holiday. And hope we can do this again next year. I'm actually cruising at the POLARA right now. And there's quite a few cars behind me and in front of me. So it's actually a pretty good cruise. I've done this cruise a couple times already throughout the year. So anyway, have a nice cruise here Saturday, or not Saturday, Christmas morning, Wednesday, 2024, December. So cruising down the streets here in San Diego area, enjoying the day. So there's a few cars up front of me right here, and there's a bunch more behind me. So gonna drop off some gifts and stuff, and give me a chance to take out the POLARA. I haven't driven this car in a while, so it's about time to take it out for a spin. Anyway, we made a stop at Chicano Park, the world famous Chicano Park here. We got some people from the Mopar Club hanging out with us today, so thank you for showing up. Another Mopar Club member here. That's a nice 55 Chevy there. Got some more Mopars here. Of course, this is my Mopar. And got this vehicle here loaded with a bunch of clothes and stuff that they're gonna give off to one of the centers here. So just made a quick stop here and check this out, and take a quick video of all the cars that participated in this. So it's actually a pretty good turnout.
Trying to flex, I don't care what you tell us. It's not on my wish list.
We have Michelangelo over here. He's doing all right. Luis is out here hanging out also. This one's nice here. Got some bikes out here also. Some lowriders. That's a nice Pontiac right there. Got Santa Claus here.
Yes,
He's
sir.
ready to rock and roll.
Pop rock inside.
There you go.
Yes, and this thing looks
All right. And we got the world famous Holly Hansman. There we go. All right. Okay, here we go. And here we have famous Holly. So tell us what about this, Holly.
Well, this is Hot Rod Holly's 14th annual Christmas morning cruise. Basically what I do is, doing it 14 years, and basically what I do is a group of people, preferably with their hot rods and their motorcycles and cars, come on out, but I don't care what you drive to join us. We come on out and we meet up, do a little local cruise through the neighborhoods in San Diego, regroup a couple spots, and then come on down here to the Alpha Project, which is the main focus of our charity. The Alpha Project is the bridge shelter. It's a homeless shelter down here on Newton Avenue in San Diego. We drop off goods for them on Christmas morning. And then from here we leave and do some other festivities. It's just a fun
All
day.
right, good. I'm glad you invited me,
Fun way
and
of giving back.
glad you invited me. I drove one of my cars, not the bike. So, but thank you,
I was
Holly,
waiting to see
and
a race car.
appreciate that. And we'll see you next year.
Yes, I
All
sure
right.
hope so.